Hey guys, now Algorand, why is it gaining so much attention recently and how can it garner so much adoption? Well, there are many real-world companies running and building on Algorand. We're talking Lavazza, we're talking Deutsche Bank, Visa, MasterCard, FIFA, to name just a few. Now, one of the reasons is Algorand has demonstrated on mainnet transactions per second of the order of 5,000, 10,000, and the most recent is about 14,300 transactions per second. It's insanely fast. Now, part of this is because there is almost near zero chance of a fork possible in Algorand, and it has instant finality. Blocks are finalized in 0 milliseconds, guys, instant finality. Now, Algorand is quite special, and I've got a chapter on it in my book, The Essential Guide to Blockchain Platforms. Now, this is available on Amazon. The chapter in my book, it starts with a brief history of Algorand, okay? And it talks about what problems it's solving. So it's solving the trilemma. It's very highly scalable. It has instant finality, near zero chance of a fork. Now, this is partly because in Algorand, it has a weighted lottery-based system where nodes can stake ALGO, any amount of ALGO tokens, and that gets put into a cryptographic lottery. Now, you run this cryptographic lottery on your node, okay? And depending on the chances of that lottery outcome, you get to propose a block, okay? Now, this is all described here, okay? It talks about something called pure proof of stake, and there's more detail on this in my book, but that's how it works. Now, it talks about the solution. It talks about, here we go, like there's a nice diagram here, okay? So you've got the proposal phase, we've got the soft vote phase, the certified phase, and then when the block is actually added and linked onto the blockchain. This is all described here. We describe the Algorand architecture here. So in the Algorand architecture, you have participation nodes, which participate in consensus, and relay nodes, okay, that relay information and validate information, and that gets exchanged with the participation nodes. Relay nodes do not necessarily participate in consensus. Now, this is all explained in my book. Algorand is a very special blockchain, and I think you should check it out in my book, The Essential Guide to Blockchain Platforms, on Amazon.